Hey everybody, Lisa here from How to Zazzle. You guys all know that I really love the website Kittl, and it's an AI generator, but it does so much more. I make banners for my blogs. I make art for my Zazzle products. So anyway, in the last month, I've done a couple videos on upscaling AI art, and now Kittl actually added an upscaler right onto their site. So let's see how it works. So we're going to create an image. Let's put vampire, gold teeth, gold glitter, okay, so I'm going to generate this image. I'm going to go right here and click generate image. Okay, and this is what it gave us. Pretty cool. I guess I'm already getting ready for Halloween next year. So now what's new is under here they have the background remover, image vectorizer, and now they have image upscaler. So right here you can click to upscale it. So first let's download it as is. I'm going to put 300 dpi, optimize quality. Okay, we're going to download it as a JPEG. Okay, so now it's downloaded. So now we're going to go down here and, well, first I'm going to change the name. I'm just going to put upscaled so I know which one is upscaled. And then I'm going to go right here and I'm going to click on AI image upscaler. And you can see the line across here going. Okay, so that's it. Now it says it's upscaled. So now we're going to download this with all the same settings. Okay, and now for the fun part, we're going to go in and we're going to compare the two. So first I'm going to open the one that's not upscaled. And you can see like where it starts getting a little bit blurry when you zoom in. All right, now let's open the one that is upscaled and compare them. So you can see here where one is a little bit sharper over here. Look at her teeth compared to the teeth here. You can see, and even look at the glitter. You can see the, you know, what's clear. Let's look at her eyes, see what we can see. So again, you can see that this is much sharper. Look at the glitter. So the upscaled one is definitely clearer. It does look like it removes some of the detail, though, like the skin texture there. It's just smoother over here. So anyway, that's the upscaler. Thank you, Kittl, for doing that. It's going to save me money each month. So kudos for Kittl for doing that. You guys all have a great day. If you guys want to try out Kittl for free, there's a link below to give it a try. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.